Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, The Lecture for Sleep. Tonight we're embarking on a very special journey. A journey not of speed or distance, but of tranquility and rest. Imagine yourself standing on a quiet, old-fashioned platform, shrouded in a gentle evening mist. The air is cool and smells of pine and damp earth. There are no crowds, no frantic announcements, just the soft glow of gas lamps casting long, warm shadows. In the distance, you hear it. A low, rhythmic chuffing sound, growing steadily closer. It's the phantom train, arriving just for you. Its purpose isn't to take you to a bustling city, but to guide you gently into the world of dreams. The train glides silently into the station. It's a beautiful, vintage locomotive, steam curling gracefully from its stack, its polished brass fittings gleaming under the lamplight. A friendly conductor with a kind smile nods and beckons you aboard. You step up into a carriage unlike any you've ever seen. It's not filled with rows of seats, but with cozy, inviting compartments. Each one is your own private sanctuary for the night. You find yours and slide the door closed. The world outside instantly fading into a soft, distant memory. The inside is warm and comfortable, furnished with plush velvet and dark polished wood. A large panoramic window reveals the passing twilight landscape. With a gentle lurch, the train begins to move. The rhythmic clickety-clack of the wheels on the track is a soothing, predictable beat. It's a lullaby on rails, a steady percussion that eases the tension from your body. You settle into the plush armchair by the window. Outside, the world is a beautiful rolling tapestry of dark hills and silhouetted trees against a sky filled with the first twinkling stars. You see the occasional light from a distant farmhouse, a tiny spark of life in the vast sleeping countryside. The train is moving at a leisurely pace, allowing you to soak in the peaceful scenery. There is no rush. There is only the gentle forward motion, carrying you further and further away from the cares of the day. Let the rhythmic sound of the train become the focus of your attention. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Feel the gentle sway of the carriage, a subtle rocking motion that cradles you like a hammock. With each sway, you feel your body becoming heavier, more relaxed. Let go of any thoughts that are still clinging to your mind. Picture them as small, white clouds, and watch them drift out of the window and dissolve into the night sky. They are not important right now. All that matters is this moment, this journey, this deep sense of peace. Your breathing begins to sync with the rhythm of the train. A slow, deep inhale as the carriage sways one way, and a long, gentle exhale as it sways back. Let's take a moment to notice the sensations in your body. Start with your feet. Feel them resting on the soft carpet of the compartment. Feel the weight of them, the warmth spreading through your toes. Allow them to become heavy, completely relaxed, anchored to the floor. Now, bring that feeling of relaxation up into your ankles and calves. Let go of any tightness. Feel your muscles becoming soft and loose. The gentle vibration of the train is like a soft massage, coaxing every last bit of tension away. The relaxation flows upwards into your knees and thighs. Your legs feel heavy, warm, and deeply at rest. They are completely supported by the plush seat. You don't need to hold them in any position. Just let them be. Now bring your awareness to your hips, your lower back, and your abdomen. This is where we often hold stress from our day. As you breathe out, imagine all that tension melting away. Feel your back sinking comfortably into the chair. Feel the soft fabric supporting you. The rhythmic rocking of the train soothes your core, releasing any knots of worry. Your stomach is soft. Your breathing is deep and easy. The relaxation continues to spread upwards, across your chest and into your shoulders. Let your shoulders drop. Feel the weight lift from them. They feel so light, so free. This feeling of release flows down your arms, through your elbows, into your wrists, and all the way to the tips of your fingers. Your hands are resting limply in your lap, warm and heavy. Now focus on your neck and your head. Let your neck muscles soften. Allow your head to feel heavy, resting comfortably against the back of the chair. Release any tension in your jaw. Let your teeth part slightly. Your tongue can rest gently in your mouth. Feel the tiny muscles around your eyes relax. Your eyelids feel heavy, so very heavy. It feels good to let them close. Let your forehead become smooth and serene. All the thoughts and expressions of the day are ironed away, leaving only a sense of calm. Your entire body, from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head, is now in a state of deep, profound relaxation. You are safe. You are comfortable. You are at peace. The conductor quietly slides open your compartment door. He offers you a warm cup of herbal tea. It smells of chamomile and lavender, a calming floral aroma that fills the air. You take a slow sip. The warmth spreads through your chest, a comforting internal blanket. It's the perfect complement to the journey, another layer of tranquility. The conductor gives you a gentle, reassuring smile and quietly closes the door, leaving you once more in your private haven. The train continues its steady journey through the night. The landscape outside is now a deep, velvety darkness, punctuated only by the moon and a blanket of brilliant stars. The clickety-clack of the wheels is a familiar, comforting friend. Your compartment has a bed, turned down and waiting for you. The sheets are crisp and cool, the pillows are soft, and the duvet is thick and inviting. It looks like the most comfortable bed you have ever seen. When you feel ready, you can move from the chair to the bed. Feel the incredible softness as you lie down. Pull the duvet up to your chin. It's like being hugged by a warm, gentle cloud. You feel completely secure, completely sheltered. The gentle rocking of the train is even more pronounced now, a perfect motion to lull you into slumber. The sound of the wheels is softer now, more distant. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. A whisper in the night. As you lie here, cocooned in warmth and comfort, let your mind drift. You can continue to watch the stars from your window, or you can simply close your eyes and enjoy the feeling of peace. The phantom train is taking care of everything. It's navigating the tracks, watching over you, ensuring your journey is smooth and undisturbed. You have no responsibilities right now. Your only task is to rest, to surrender to the gentle pull of sleep. With every breath, you sink deeper and deeper into the soft mattress, deeper and deeper into relaxation. The boundary between wakefulness and sleep begins to blur. You are floating in a peaceful space, a quiet in-between world. The train is now passing through a forest of tall, ancient trees. The moonlight filters through the branches, creating shifting patterns of light and shadow in your compartment. It's a silent, magical light show, designed just for you. The rhythmic sounds of the train are a constant, reassuring presence. They are the heartbeat of the night. You feel a profound sense of gratitude for this journey, for this moment of perfect peace. You know that this train is carrying you towards a night of deep, restorative sleep. The kind of sleep that heals your body and calms your mind. The kind of sleep that will leave you feeling refreshed and renewed when you wake. The journey is nearing its most important destination, the station of deep sleep. You can feel it approaching. The rhythm of the train slows, becoming even more soothing. The rocking becomes even more gentle. Your breathing is slow and steady. Your body is heavy and still. Your mind is quiet and clear. You are ready, ready to let go completely, ready to drift into the beautiful, endless landscape of your dreams. The phantom train has done its job. It has carried you away from the noise and the worry, and delivered you to the doorstep of slumber. As you drift off, the last sound you hear is the faint, distant whistle of the train. A final, gentle goodnight. Sleep well. Thank you for joining the lecture for sleep. We'll be here for you again next time. Sweet dreams.